I can't stop, this feeling's taking over me.
Hi guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Bollywood replica saree unboxing from Jomso. This is also a highly requested video and not a sponsored one. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. Before that guys, if you're watching me for the first time and if you like what you watch, then please do consider subscribing my channel. Now this is how Jomso does its packaging, really good. And this is the saree. Bright yellow color saree which Kareena was wearing, and this is the replica saree of it. So let's see how the product really is. So this is the display picture given in their website, and this is the product. It's so bright. The fabric of the saree is Vivo silk, and guys, if you're someone who is like my color or dusky brown, anything, this is like a perfect color. You have to try this. I have one, I think in Kanjivaram, the same color. It looks so good on me. Okay, anyways, let's see the blouse fabric guys. They have given this beautiful pink color fabric. Again, the fabric used here is Vivo silk, and in the display pic, Kareena is wearing like a plain pink blouse, but here there is a little design or fabric design over here in yellow and cream color. So in case if you want to get like a little different kind of a sleeve, then you can get it attached on your sleeves, or else plain pink is going to look really nice. And I think there is about 0.80 meter of fabric. It's a little see-through guys, so you'll have to get a lining attached, but the blouse fabric is very good, very soft and nice. Now let's see the saree. This is the saree guys. It's just plain, and to the border they've given this pink color, and to the extreme bottom they have given this colorish print, very beautifully nicely printed. It's not embroidered guys, it's just a print. It has a little shine as well, which really looks nice. The whole saree has a little shine, if you can see, and it's just plain. And this is the pallu. Coming to the pallu, again the border is pink, and then they have given this beautiful kalamkari design. It's a print work, not embroidered. It has a little shine, if you can see it closer. I hope my camera is focusing that. So the whole pallu is of a same design, and to the extreme end of the pallu they have given this big colorish design. Again, it's a print work, not embroidered. Again, there's a little shine over here. And the saree is so soft guys, it's like butter. And if you're someone like me who struggles getting like, you know, pleating the saree properly, then I think this is one of the best saree. You can pleat it very easily, and it will not need a lot of ironing as well. It won't get wrinkly, which is really nice. And now guys, coming to the comparison.
I can't stop, this feeling's taking over me. 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 You're feeling me, I hope you're feeling me. You're feeling me, I hope you're feeling me. You're feeling me, I hope you're feeling me. You're feeling me. I can't stop. You're feeling me, I hope you're feeling me. You're feeling me, you're feeling me. You're feeling me, I hope you're feeling me. You're feeling me. I can't stop.
in the website and what I received is almost the same. The print, the blouse, the color, the work, everything is almost the same. You can actually go to their website and compare. I really love the fabric, the print, everything is so good, on point. I would like to rate it 5 out of 5. Really good. If you want to check this out, you can, guys. Trust me on this, I'm not lying. The fabric is really very good. Now coming to the price, the original price of this was around 2,500 something, and the discounted price is just 1,390 rupees, which I think is a super good deal. In case if you want to purchase this, I'm going to give the link in my description box, or else you can directly go to www.jomso.com and type this product code. You will see this product. And if you're new to my channel and don't know about Jomso, let me tell you guys, Jomso sells all kind of Indian ethnic wear, really beautiful pieces, kurtis, replica design, saris, lehengas, whatnot. And even ordering the product is very easy. You can either directly go to their website and place an order, or they do have a WhatsApp number as well, and they do have cash on delivery option. They do ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge. Most of you keep asking me about the return policy. It's very simple, guys. Once you receive the product, if you're not satisfied, if you didn't like the product, or if you receive a defective product, what you'll have to do is you will have to mail them within 7 days of receiving the product, and they're going to arrange for a return. So that's simple and easy. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, what you'll have to do is please do subscribe and share the video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.